Jeez. Just about to go to bed. Again, as normally. Oh my god. I dashed it, turn the lights off, and I started sneezing. And I came back in this room where I'm in now, which is like the extension. The utility room. Try to find my phone in the dark. Turn it on. I didn't press record. But I can understand why, because when you're sneezing and you're trying to find your phone, when you're sneezing and trying to find your phone and trying to get the camera on, and then you have to swipe it to turn on the video and then press record. It's like multitasking, but when you're sneezing, you just can't do it. Well, I think it's finished. No, it's not. Some things I have to do for you guys just to get a sneeze on film. Well, there's a sniff, and that was a sneeze. And that's good night from me. I'll keep you posted. Love you all, and it's good night from the sneezing